To my taco making, home meal taco making. How y'all doing today? First, I want to start off making a taco. You just add onion, tomato, and bell pepper, and whichever spice you want to throw in. It's very easy, it's not hard, very simple step. Okay, so I start off with these in the oil to cook all the way. Um, just like you would like a stir fry. Okay, stir fry that to basically like a medium, not all the way, because I am going to add the um my, because this is a vegan, but you can also add meat. So starting off, add whatever season you want to add. I add green onion. This is my green onion, and also a regular bulb onion, bell pepper, and all the special spices you want to add. And also, I basically prepare all these ingredients at home, and it's a very easy, simple step. It's not hard at all. Um, Whichever is your favorite flavors, you also can add it to just to make it taste good of your choice. So there I go. I add all my flavors. After adding my flavors, I'm looking for basically a golden brown, like medium golden kind of ish. Stir it around. Don't just leave it to just always keep on stirring it, because when you're stirring it, it basically cook all the way through. Always not too much pepper, but if you like a lot of pepper, you can shoot for it. I would say you can cook this for, I would say like I would say 3 to 4 minutes, and always add a little salt, because the salt bring out the flavor. In the midst of cooking this down, you always can prepare your, in the meantime you're cooking that down, you can prepare to fry the next segment of your make to make your taco. As you can see, the all the ingredients is kind of getting a lot less. So this is um vegan all the way, chipotle, and I already add my sauce and everything already inside of this. So basically, he's just I put it in a freezer to um I put it in a freezer to make it like pretty firm, so it's not like soggy when I'm cooking it. So as you can see, it almost ready because I pre-cooked this. So I add a little bit more of my special sauce. Make it cook a little bit, like around like three more minutes. Cook all the way down. So the ice just kind of basically gonna give it a lot more, I would say, like water content. So I start preparing the next segment. You want to cook it, fry it all the way to, like in a deep fry. If you have a deep fry, you can fry it in a deep fry, but then just throw it in here because it's easier for me. You fry this all the way thing not so crispy, because if you, because you're gonna kind of bend it to, so you can add your protein inside of it. Turn it around, and so the two sides cook all the way. And you can pick these up in Walmart or Whole Foods, Fries. A lot of these different store you can pick these up in. You cook it all the way, not 100% as crispy, but so just cooked it so it can basically bend, so you can put in your protein. As you can see, it's almost time to take these out. Always have a hand towel or so to dry off these accessory oil, because you want this drained very properly. So I take out my, I take them out, I take out the taco, dry them out, and after drying them out, I place them in like a little oval shape like thing, so you catch the shape. You don't have to put it in a oval shaped thing like this. You can, if you wanna just let it go, let it flat, you can let it flat. But I like it to be like this because it's look more elegant. I place them in there so that once they cool down, they're gonna keep the shape. Once it keep the shape, then you can start preparing all the other ingredients. So you can add it right straight into the taco shells. So this is my taco shells, and this is the the final stage of my taco. As you can see, I top it off with little flowers, a little bit of everything. And as you can see, you can put your special um, spices or whatever, because I like spices. I put a lot of spices in mine. And this is very simple. It's not hard, very easy. But you don't want to leave this in here for a long time because it will dry. It will soak in all the moisture and it will get soggy. And there you have it. Wonderful taco, delicious and tasty food. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And if you think this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm looking forward to putting more video out. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Peace.